nature, culture. Four elements that forged the spirit of the land of the sun. Peru happens to be a magical South American enclave, a place of astounding regional diversity, climates, and ecosystems. An ecological paradise that the majority of the planet's biodiversities call home. In its geography, it is possible to find 84 of the 104 microclimates known to Earth, a vast and surprising habitat that is home to infinite mammal, reptile, bird, and plant species. Peru is a naturally astounding destiny. Its ocean is one of the richest in the world. Its climate and nutrients permit a remarkably wide variety of species to flourish. The Paracas National Reserve in Ica is a natural enclave that extends 335,000 acres. Migrating birds, sea lions, and other species inhabit Paracas's privileged environment. And for the visitor, it's a place of incomparable beauty. In the highlands of Peru, concentrated in these majestic valleys, are some of the Andes' most beautiful landscapes, abundant with vegetation and wildlife. An example of this is the Huascarán National Park in the department of Ancash. The Cordillera Blanca, the world's highest tropical mountain range, rises here and extends over 180 kilometers. The Huascarán National Park has an area of over 340,000 acres and incorporates one of the world's highest ecosystems. A perfect place for the body and soul to be protected. Huascarán, with its peak standing 6,700 meters high, is a prodigal symbol for this natural reserve. The Peruvian Amazons are a vast and wonderful unexplored world, an invitation to an unprecedented encounter with raw nature. vast portion of Peru's ecological richness is found in Madre de Dios. Here we find the country's major natural treasure, Manu National Park, an imposing refuge for innumerable species and diverse ecosystems spread over more than 1,500,000 acres of terrain. This is considered humanity's natural patrimony and another example of its unexplored world. Its geography seems to adopt limitless forms that shape this unique habitat. Throughout the 24 coastal, highland, and jungle departments, one seems to find an infinite number of ecological landmarks. The beauty of Peru's landscapes and biodiversity are reason enough to venture into the seductive power of these paradisic destinies. But Peru is far more than this. As we open ourselves to explore a land of vast regional enchantment, we feel the warm hospitality of a great nation. Its magic, history, culture, and nature awaits you.